What I'm saying is that there are people that are going to tell you that some things are important. There are people that are going to tell you that some things aren't important. This is te wiki o te reo Māori. Kei konei a hau ki te kōrero atu ki a koutou mo te nui o te reo Māori. Te mana nui o te reo Māori. Māori language is something, you know, you've got a jigsaw puzzle. And this jigsaw puzzle has 1,000 pieces. But you've only got 999 of those pieces, and there's one missing. I don't care who you are. You cannot display proudly your jigsaw puzzle to someone and say, hey, look, I finished it. If there's one piece missing. And one piece missing for all of us, mostly, is te reo Māori. You'll have fellas up here with a Bible in one hand saying, you need Jesus. I tautoko that too. But there's other things that we need. We need KFC. We need water. And just as much as we need kai, water, and Jesus, we need te reo Māori. Why? Because we're Māori. And if you're a Māori that can't speak Māori, you look like this. Because your mouth can't open, and we've got huge lips. We need to open our mouths. You'll get the gout if you don't open it. They will swell. It's good for a tsunami, because you can just whoop and then stop the waves. But other than that, no good. So my encouragement is for you as individuals to have a think about what the mana of te reo Māori is to you. If it's nothing, sweet as. If you think, te reo Māori doesn't mean nothing, cool. I'm not here to tell you that you have to think it is. All I'm here to do is tell you that's why I'm cool, because I do think it is. And you better ask somebody if you don't agree. If you're sitting there going, you ain't cool, you need to ask your nanny. She will correct you. She will tell you, here's the coolest dude in the whole country. Not because I'm that fellow on TV, but because of the basis that I had as a Māori. I was told, don't be a Māori. Okay, I will then. I'm going to go over here and be a Māori. And because I did that, I was able to make my way up in society to a place where everybody in the country now knows who I am. If I'm hungry, I just go out on the street. Hello, I'm hungry, thank you. I'm cold, thank you. Not because I'm something special, but because I'm something special. I'm something special because I put it.